मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि इस बार मैं एल ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स होस्ट कर रही हूँ और पिछले 2-3 सालों से आई हैव अटेंडेड, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। हाँ, एक्साइटेड तो हूँ मैं सेकंड सीज़न के लिए, लेकिन उसके पहले मेरा दूसरा काम आ रहा है। अभी भंगड़ा पाल एक फ़िल्म है सनी कौशल के साथ, और एक नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए भी प्रोजेक्ट है, तो ये चीज़ें पहले आएंगी, तो उनके लिए मैं पहले ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ, और फिर जब मिर्ज़ापुर आएगा देखने के लिए आई विल बी एक्साइटेड इस बार। थैंक यू। राइट। It was really fun for me, and I'm playing a very different character in Bhangra Pale, and just working with Sneha, जिसकी debut film है, बहुत मज़ा आया। 1940s का एक character है, so hopefully I've done justice to it, और audience मुझे एक अलग किरदार में देखेगी इस बार। Yeah. Right now I can't talk about it, but in 2-3 weeks they'll announce it officially. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, absolutely thrilled to be here at Elle Beauty Awards. In fact, I haven't been to an Elle Beauty Awards before, so this is my first time. I'm very eager to see and network with people inside, and really looking forward to the evening. Thank you very much. I'm wearing Abhishek Sharma, and I'm been styled by Neha Chaudhary. I really like this. It's very avant-garde. I'm a musician, and most of my life is on stage, and this really brings out my stage personality, I think. And I think I am as bold as my outfit is. Of course. I have been working intensively on my independent music. I just signed to Big Bang Music, which is the label that I'm associated with. We're releasing my first single in the next month now. So all the promotions and marketing towards that single are up right now. The video is shot and it's looking beautiful. It's different. It's not something that our audience in the independent space has seen. So I'm very excited. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi, good evening. I am very excited. I'm always excited to come to Ellie Awards, and I have huge expectations. So I'm just very happy to be here. So I'm looking forward to meet all the great personalities. My fashion mantra: I think beauty comes from within, and it's your personality. Whom am I wearing? I'm wearing Nitu Nora. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. आज की शाम के बारे में, आज की शाम अभी शुरू होने वाली है और आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू एक्सपीरियंस. It's all about beauty tonight, and I am looking forward to see some beautiful faces and some beautiful awards. Right? Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Scared. Hi. Thank you. उसके लिए congratulations. Thank you. मैं बहुत 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 एक्साइटेड हूँ. एल वो मैगज़ीन है जो मेरा पहला कवर था, तो मैं बहुत बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. What's mine? मैं वेरी कैजुअल, बहुत चिल्ड आउट, जिसमें मैं खुश हूँ, जिसमें मैं कैजुअल और कंफर्टेबल हूँ, वो मेरा स्टाइल है. जी, सो पॉजिटिव. यस. तो वो साइबर बुलिंग और जहाँ लोग ट्रोल करते हैं और मीन रहते हैं उस पर है, और जिस लोगों को काइंड रहना, पॉजिटिव रहना इंस्टाग्राम पे और सोशल मीडिया पे, वो उसके बारे में बात करता है. तो इट्स अ वेरी स्वीट थिंग. तो हमने अभी शूटिंग कंप्लीट की है. एक्चुअली थोड़ी बाकी है और हमारा लखनऊ का स्केड्यूल पूरा हुआ है और बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत खाना खाया, बहुत प्रैंक्स भी हमने खेले एक दूसरे पे. बहुत मज़ा आया और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ फिल्म के लिए. कुछ ही हफ्तों में. हाँ. या. It was a lot of fun. It's a remake, but it's a very modern version of it, and it's very different from the original. So I watched the original movie 2 times actually, but it's very different. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. G. Yeah. No, it's not okay. I don't think the way hum जी रहे हैं, I don't think it's sustainable at all. So I don't think what's happening is okay, and we need to live in a way that we protect it for the coming generations. So it's not okay what's happening. Hi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think I've got it from my parents actually. I don't know how to take credit for that in any way, but I'm just being myself and I'm just being a normal teenager at the end of the day. So I'm just being myself. I think that's the easiest way to put it. Yeah. Thank you. I don't think कि कोई एज होता है जहाँ शुरू किया जा सकता है. I don't think you're too old or you're too young to do anything. If your heart feels something, you should do it, and no issues too big or too small. Whatever you feel for strongly, you should follow it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Not disturbing.
Right side, sir.
What's up? Good evening. Very good. Sleepy but good. Good evening. They create content that's actually very, very today, and it's actually very inspiring. It's one of those magazines that I pick up
when it's out. So I'm actually glad to be part of their event, their celebration. I'm happy to be here. I'm very Gucci. I think I like amusing myself. That's the goal when I dress up. So yeah, I'm just having fun. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. All that action that I got to do, it was very new for me. I really enjoyed it. Yes, I'm actually quite excited. I think I've had the privilege of doing very different characters through my short career so far. So I'm actually very happy. It's a good time to be an actor in this country, I think. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening. I think so. I think second time. I think. First time. Actually first time. देखो मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली इतने नहीं आते, इतने कम आते कि मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ एग्जैक्टली कौन से वाले आए आप करते हो इसे थैंक यू सॉरी I think it's a very pretty silhouette that my stylist always, my stylist Shrija Rajgopal, who's standing behind everybody because she doesn't like to face people. She always pushes me to go beyond my comfort zone. This definitely is not my comfort zone, but she really teaches me to break those barriers and learn how to embrace new things. So I'm glad that I have her in my life. So she's given me this beautiful outfit, silhouette outfit by Avaro Filio, and I'm wearing earrings by Mahesh Notanda, and I'm here in front of you. हाँ, अब वो चुनने पड़े ना क्योंकि घुंघराले बालों में तो वो मिलते नहीं और अटक जाते हैं, तो स्ट्रेटन करने के बाद he could actually pick out It's a great feeling. It comes with a lot of responsibility and it comes with a lot of pride. And I definitely think कि ये बढ़ते ही जाने वाला है the world of internet. And I'm extremely proud to be one of the first people who came here first. You will find out very very soon. ऐसे होता है. I can't really talk. Unfortunately, there are a few exciting things coming up, and I can't wait to talk about them. And I promise you, it's going to be within the next 2 months that I'll tell you what it is. पर रुकना पड़ेगा. I can't say anything right now, unfortunately. But I will tell you, I promise, when I can, you guys will know first. I'll make sure she tells you first. आप भी करो. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We'll just have to finish.
सुमित बाइट्स नहीं करना है बाबा, बाइट्स नहीं करना है. ठीक है.
Sorry. Hi. Well, I think it'll always be fun. It's Elle Beauty, and we're here for the cover launch. And yeah, I think that beauty awards are always special because I think it makes us all feel really loved and special. So very happy to be here. Thank you. I think it's been an amazing 20 years. It's been a fabulous journey, working with some amazing people, and I think that I've been born to act because I feel that that's where my passion is, and I will hopefully act till the end of my life. I think किसी एक फिल्म का नाम लेना तो अच्छा नहीं रहेगा because I think all my films have made me, whether they have been successes or failures. They're all my body of work and they're all a part of me. So I would say as much as my successes, my failures have also made me what I am today. Yes, season 2. Yes, finally we have Saif also on What Women Want. He'll be talking about modern marriages. So I think the show, the season 1 was such a big success. We had people who loved all the topics because so people spoke so openly about different matters of their life. And I'm very happy because this time we have some amazing, exciting guests. We've shot with my mother-in-law. So I think it's going to be better than season 1. Yeah, I can't talk about that because it's very, very special. But when the time is right, we'll definitely talk about it. Yeah. Yeah, of course. All I can say is that it's going to be an absolute honor and my honor to actually, be in the same frame as Aamir because I've always been a huge fan of Aamir. It's always been a dream come true to work with him. He's a cinematic genius, and sharing a frame with him again would be an absolute dream come true again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
यार, देखो तो दिखो। Take a picture. अब अपना कोई है? There's no way these guys are having fun. We need a picture.
एक मिनट
My sweetheart, hello, baby girl, can I run through? Can we run past? Oh, thank you.
Right side, ma'am, right side here. Right side, ma'am, right side. Right side here. Ma'am, your right side here. Janvi ji, right ma'am. Janvi, on your right. Excuse me, ma'am, here. Ma'am. Ma'am, here.
ठीक है, पूछिए। जी, बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। एल अवार्ड्स में मेरी पहली बारी है आज, और बहुत वक्त हो गया है कि मैंने ड्रेसअप किया, गाउन पहना, मेकअप, हेयर मेकअप में आई हूँ मैं बहुत वक्त के बाद, तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। और मेरी दोस्त यहाँ है नम्रता, तो उनसे मिलकर बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं। और क्योंकि हम हमेशा जिम क्लोथ्स में ही मिलते हैं, पिलाटी स्टूडियो में ही मिलते हैं, तो आज पूरे कपड़े में मिले हैं पहली बार, तो रूह अफ़ज़ा भी रैप हो गई है, रूह अफ़ज़ा कंप्लीट हो गई है, गुंजन सक्सेना भी कंप्लीट हो गई है, और गो स्टोरीज़ की फिल्म भी कंप्लीट हो गई है। तो इंशाल्लाह सारे फिल्म जल्दी रिलीज़ होंगे और आप लोगों को पसंद आएंगे। हाँ हाँ, मतलब मुझे अंदर भागना है अभी। अरे वाह, जी हम एक्चुअली सिंगापुर सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए गए थे, लेकिन बहुत वक्त के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे अपनी बहन और पापा के साथ वक्त बिताने को मिला है, और हमारी पूरी फैमिली वहाँ थी, मामा की फैमिली भी वहाँ थी, तो बहुत ही स्पेशल मोमेंट था हमारे फैमिली के लिए। तो हाँ, बस वही कहना चाहूँगी। देखिए, मैं उसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं जानती इस बारे में। जी,
अगर आप बताना चाहें कि कुछ अपने शब्दों में, क्योंकि जो पहली फिल्म थी उसको भी बड़ा माना जाता है पाथ ब्रेकिंग थी, तो अब आप उसके बारे में जुड़ने जा रही हैं और कार्तिक के साथ में,
जी,
तो अगर आप
बहुत ही मज़ेदार। हाँ, क्या हुआ जी? लेकिन सवाल तो इन्होंने पूछा। अच्छा, जवाब यहाँ दो। ठीक है, मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ, स्क्रिप्ट बहुत ही मज़ेदार है, और रही बात पाथ ब्रेकिंग की, तो मेरे हिसाब से ये कहानी उससे भी ज़्यादा पाथ ब्रेकिंग है। और जी, कार्तिक आर्यन के साथ काम करने के लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, और हाँ, आई होप कि आप, हाँ, खुशी फिलहाल अभी न्यूयॉर्क में ही है, वो बॉम्बे कब आ रही है वो मालूम नहीं, फिल्मों का तो दूर की बात है।
Ma'am, right here now. Right side here. Straight here, ma'am. Just hold ma'am. Ma'am, here now, this way. Ma'am, your right side. Ma'am, your right side. Hold here. Hold, ma'am, just hold. Ma'am. Ma'am, here.
Can you go from behind? Yeah. Thank you. Very excited. Thank you for all the audiences जिन्होंने इतना इसको appreciate किया है, इतना सारा प्यार दिया है. Just very excited about it. काफ़ी ज़्यादा. I think beauty is a huge part of our profession, and it's a great endeavor. जो भी सारी outfits हैं, जो companies हैं, जो इस चीज़ में साथ में काम कर रही हैं, and who are excelling in their work, it's a great thing to bring them forward and to appreciate them and to appreciate beauty as overall. Hi, how are you?
We have seen that the awards happen for the award. How important it is for the beauty to be awarded and rewarded and recognized?
Very, because if you see, as an actor, a lot of our profession is about beauty and about upkeep and about feeling good about yourself. So it is very important to award these outfits and award beauty and kind of appreciate it, because at the end of the day, anything that makes you feel great about yourself leads to a happier life. So if they're helping people live a happier life, then why not?
Maybe congratulate you for the growing success of the war.
Thank you. Thank you. आपने देखी फिल्म?
This makes a difference to you.
Of course, a huge difference. I'm very thankful to Yash Raj Films, to Aditya sir, and to Siddharth Malhotra for giving me this opportunity. It was a great role, and I got to work with HR and with Tiger. Both, they're completely gorgeous human beings, and they're so talented and hardworking. It was an inspiration to work with them. So I hope that this brings forward more opportunities, and I'm really waiting to prove myself further and work in challenging roles.
They might be apprehensive, but probably think to take the privilege from you. What to happen?
I hope so. I really do hope so, and I hope I'm a part of it.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
आवाज नहीं थोड़ा बूस्टर अगली बार बड़ा वाला लेके आएगा। क्या भारी काम किया है।
चल चल चल
Good evening. Sorry? It's going to be great, I'm sure. Fashion mantra, just be yourself, don't try and be someone else, and be happy and be positive. Thank you.
हमेशा खराब क्यों है? इधर आओ। उसका बर्थडे यार। अरे उसका बर्थडे है। चलो तो मैं क्या बोलूं? क्या बनाया था? जब आएगा ना